Hey my beautiful Tea Party Squad, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to be flipping through a sticker book from the Foodie and Farmhouse collection. It is called the Southern Farmhouse sticker book. It has 30 sheets of stickers and it has over 1,011 pieces of stickers in here. And so I wanted to do a page by page flip through and give you a closer look inside of the Southern Farmhouse. All right, so that was a flip through of the Southern Farmhouse sticker book. Again, this is a 30 sheet sticker book. All right, so that was a flip through of the Southern Farmhouse sticker book that has 1,011 pieces in there. I hope you guys enjoyed the sticker book as much as I have. I love the color palette in here. If this is something that you want to add to your wish list, let me know down in the comments below. This is This one is giving me all of the happy hostess type vibe, dinner party. So this is right up my alley. I absolutely love it. So again, if you are a foodie or a meal planning lover, you are definitely going to enjoy this Southern Farmhouse sticker book. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That lets me know that you not only love the Southern Farmhouse sticker book, but you also enjoyed the sticker book flip throughs here on my channel. And also, if you are new here, hello and welcome. I do hope you consider subscribing to my channel because I have more videos to come. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.